Hello guys, today I am going to show you a servicing video on my Crompton high-speed Decora. As you can see, this is the condition of my current high-speed Decora. You can see the blades are completely dusty, as you can see. So today I am going to do a servicing of my high-speed Decora. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see, now I disassembled the fan. This is the bolts. As you can see, these are the bolts of this fan, and I have the special. This is the upper canopy. See, full of dust, and this is the lower canopy. This fan is full of dust is there. So let's disassemble the fan and let's. So guys, as you can see, now I disassembled the fan. So this is the stator of my Crompton high-speed Decora. So as you can see, this is the lower part. You can see this is the stator. It's same like my and you can see there is the winding. It's something written here. The main winding, the resistance is 240 to 270 ohms, and for the auxiliary winding it's the 195 to 220 ohms. And this is a you can see here, I'll show you the stator. See, it's a 2021 piece. Means when the fan I bought, it was that only, and I can see this is the shaft. So this is the spring, as you can see. So means the washer, sorry, and this is the spacer. So you can see this is the spacer. My HS had a circlip, so this is the spacer. As you can see, my HS had a circlip, but this is having a spacer. So always try to preserve this spacer. If you lost this spacer, then you have to replace this fan's shaft, because this fan doesn't have any inbuilt spacer like the other fans. And you can see this is the spring, and this is the upper washer. This is the lower bearing washer, as you can see. So let me just keep these things aside separately so that it doesn't get lost. And this is the lower bearing. This cover is very much lightweight when you compare with my high speed. My high speeds upper and lower cover is slightly heavier. This is slightly lighter, and you can see some this ink and this grease and whatsoever might be. And this is a HCH bearings. These are HCH. I don't know it's visible in the camera or not. It's a HCH 6201 bearing, and you can see this is the props of this medallion. And as you can see here something written here, DJ DIHHD B0618. So it's written like that here, and you can see the this cover of this high-speed Decora is much lightweight when you compare with my this HS. And this is the upper cover. This upper cover is also slightly lighter. This is the rotor ring, that's why this upper cover is always slightly heavier. And this is the barcode serial number, but I don't have the label. So you can see here some paint. And this is the HCH 6202 bearings. As you can see, these are permanent seal bearings, and these are the beads like thing, so whatsoever might be. So now this is the blades. As you can see, I forgot to show, these are the blades. Blades are dusty completely, as you can see. So this is the one blade, and this is the second blade. As you can see, it's dusty completely. This is the second blade. Third blade is also so much of dust is there, fully dusty the fan, you can see. So guys, now as you can see, all the components are clean. As you can see, this is the canopy, this is the lower canopy, and this is the upper canopy. As you can see, the Crompton branding, as you can see, everything is looking good. This is the stator, even I have cleaned the stator, as you can see. So you can see now it's looking like new. Some rust are there, which is normal. And as you can see, I haven't cleaned this part. As you can see, some scratches, these things are there, but these things will be hide completely. And as you can see, it's now looking so nice. And this is the upper cover. I'll just show you. As you can see, this is also now looking really good, as you can see. And if I'll show you, this is the deco medallion, as you can see, deco ring. You can see it's also looking so nice. And as you can see, now let me show you the blades also. So guys, as you can see, these are the blades. I have cleaned them. As you can see, this blade I have to clean it a bit more. And as you can see, I have cleaned it. Actually, these blades deco means they are so much of stuck here, so I don't have WD-40. So I have just cleaned them using some earbuds inserting, and I cleaned it. As you can see, this is the blades. So this blade I able to clean it perfectly. You can see this is the blades. And if I show you the angles, see here, it's having a very high blade angle. So these are the components. So this is the stator. So let's fix back the fan and let's show you. So guys, the fan is now completely ready. As you can see here, I have fixed some tape here, so I will fix this tape to just make this canopy tight, since I am not having the screws and I am not fixing it. So this is the fan. As you can see, it's looking like a new fan. So let's just fix it in the ceiling and let me show you. Guys, this is the Crompton high-speed decor after the servicing. As you can see, now it's looking so fresh and it's looking like a new fan. So without wasting any more time, let's start the fan in full speed. So guys, as you can see, now the fan is spinning really fast and it's giving better airflow compared to the previous. When the blades were dusty, the airflow was slightly less, but now the airflow is increased, and as you can see, now it's spinning really nice and it's stable, it's not wobbling, as you can see. So this is the high-speed Decora. Now it's working like a new fan. So as you can see, so guys, this is the small servicing video of my high-speed Decora. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, just press the like button. If you have any comments or doubt, please comment it in the comment sections. I'll try to reply you as soon as possible. So thank you guys for watching.